Hello students, welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I am Vijay Anand, your accountancy teacher. Today we shall discuss chapter 4, change in profit sharing ratio, and the topic is investment fluctuation reserve. So what is investment fluctuation reserve? Investment fluctuation reserve is a reserve created out of the profits to meet the fall in the market value of investment. So it is a reserve created out of profit and loss appropriation account or profit and loss account to meet the fall in market value of the investment. It is created to adjust the difference between the book value and market value of investment. So in a partnership firm, in the balance sheet of partnership firm, on the asset side investment appears, and on the liability side investment fluctuation reserve appears, which has been created by the partners, by the business, out of the profits of the firm. Now we shall discuss here three cases where we shall understand the accounting treatment of investment fluctuation fund or reserve. You must note down that we can say investment fluctuation reserve as well as investment fluctuation fund also. So both the name are same. So in case 1 V and A are partners. There are two partners with PSR 2:1. Their old ratio was 2:1 and they agreed upon a new PSR, that is 1:2. Their balance sheet was as follows. So on the date when PSR was changed, their balance sheet was appearing as follows, where investment has been shown as rupees 30,000 on the asset side and investment fluctuation fund is appearing at rupees 21,000. Now this reserve is the reserve created for a special purpose to meet any fall in value of the investment. So now you are given in the question that the market value of the investment is rupees 30,000, which is equal to the book value of the investment. Here we are comparing the book value of investment with the market value of investment, and you are given in the question that the book value of investment, that is market value of investment, is equal to the book value. So how we will treat this investment fluctuation fund in this case? So in this case the treatment is as follows. No need to use this reserve or fund. We shall not use this reserve at all because the market value has not fallen below the book value, because this fund is a special purpose fund which has been created with the sole motive to adjust any fall in the value of investment. So in this case, since the fund belongs to the partners, therefore this fund will be distributed to the partners in their old ratio. So whole reserve, that is 21,000, whole of the fund will be distributed in the old ratio, and the journal entry will be as follows. The journal entry is IFF, that is investment fluctuation fund or reserve account, debit 21,000. The whole of the book value has been debited and V's capital and A's capital has been created in their old ratio, that is 2:1. You must remember that the old ratio was 2:1. So this is the case 1, the first treatment of investment fluctuation reserve. The next case that we are going to consider is that the same question is there with a slight change. V and A are partners with PSR 2:1. They agreed upon a new PSR 1:2 and their balance sheet was as follows. The balance sheet is the same as in the earlier question. Only difference is that here we are taking the market value of investment as rupees 32,000. So market value is increasing. The share price, suppose this investment is in shares of a company and the shares value has been increasing. So in this case the market value is increasing. So since market value is increasing, therefore there is no use of this fund at all, because this fund was created for the purpose to adjust any fall in the value of the investment. So again the treatment will be same as in the case 1. So the treatment, you would observe that no need to use this reserve or fund, and here we shall again distribute the whole fund of rupees 21,000 between the old partners in old ratio. So here again you will find that treatment is same. So journal entry will also be the same. So journal entry, you may observe that IFF, that is investment fluctuation fund or reserve account, debit 21,000 to V's capital account, to A's capital account, which has been created in the old ratio, which was 2:1. Now consider the third case where we shall utilize the investment fluctuation fund. In this case, we are going to use this fund for adjusting the fall in value of the investment. V&A partners, again the same question goes on. V&A partners with TSR 2:1. They agreed upon a new TSR 1:2 and their balance sheet was as follows. Their balance sheet in which investment and investment fluctuation reserve has been appearing on the same value as was in the earlier cases. So investment is at 30,000 and investment fluctuation fund is at 21,000. Now the market value of investment is reducing. The investment is appearing at a book value of rupees 30,000, but the market value is reducing by 3,000. So it has been reduced to 27,000. So now here comes the use of this investment fluctuation fund. This fund was created for the sole purpose to adjust this fall in value. So we shall treat the fund in this manner, that is, there is a loss of rupees 3,000 for which we will use this fund, and remaining fund balance, that is 21,000, was appearing in the balance sheet liability side, and after adjusting this rupees 3,000 fall in value, the 18,000 will be distributed between the old partners in old ratio because this fund belongs to old partners and they have a right over this fund in the old ratio, that is 2:1. So therefore the journal entry will be as follows. IFF oblique reserve account debit 21,000, whole of the reserve shall be wiped out of the balance sheet and investment shall be reduced by 3,000, and therefore we are creating this investment account by 3,000, and the remaining balance of fund, that is 18,000, since it belongs to the old partners in old ratio, has been distributed in the ratio 2:1. So this is these are the three cases in which we can deal with the investment fluctuation fund. There are three more cases also which comes in under these three cases that we shall deal with later on. Thank you for the time being. Thanks a lot.